Hello and welcome to another Mario Party 6 minigame review. This time, we reviewed Lift Leapers, and it became one of the best minigames in the entire game so far, which is actually crazy since we haven't had a 5-star minigame since Granite Getaway, although that was just like 5 reviews away. Soon, another one will be added to the list. That is the 34th minigame in alphabetical order, the 2 vs 2 minigame, Light Breeze. So let's get to that. So here's how you play this one. You and your partner have to quote-unquote work together to light up your part of the city with a windmill. You gotta do this by mashing the L and R button alternatively. Yeah. What? You want me to talk about it more? That's basically what the entire minigame is. And no, that silent part was not just there on accident. It was there on purpose. It's because this minigame is a literal enigma, and it sucks. Mostly because you don't work with your partner, which ruins the point of a 2 vs 2 minigame. And that's because you and your partner both get a separate windmill. Which, why does that have to be the case? If they wanted to make it a 2v2, they could have just had only 2 windmills, one for each team. Or if they didn't want to make it a 2v2 minigame, and just keep the 4 windmills, you could have just made it a simple free-for-all or battle minigame. That would have been such a better idea than just, just being a 2v2. And you can tell, because I ended up playing through this one 6 times just for this single review. Only 4 of them made it in, however. But that's just crazy that you'd have to play it that many times just for a simple review. In conclusion, you can just clearly tell that I don't want to talk about this minigame whatsoever, just from the many simple problems that are with this minigame. From just the amount of windmills, to what type of minigame it is. It's a literal button masher, and the worst kind, because, well, L and R is so loud, which can get annoying after a while. There is not really much to say on it. So yeah, let's get to the overall review.
Okay.
What do I have to say about it? I'm gonna say it right now, it's just outright appalling to even play. And the fact that it's probably the worst type of button mashers you can think of, it just makes it suck. What a fall from Lift Leapers. We went from one of the best to one of the worst. No wonder that this gets the infamous 1-star review. Well, that's it for today. Up next, we're gonna be reviewing Light My Night Up. See you guys then.